Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And it's time to do some drawing and craft. So, first, I'm showing you one drawing, and that is drawing of a bird. So, please take one paper with you and one pencil and some crayons or sketch pens with you. Okay? And let's start. See, first I'm drawing like this wavy line here. Okay. Now draw another line. See how I am doing. Like this curved line we have to draw. Then join the two dots like this. Okay. This is the shape of the bird. Now we will draw its wing. Birds can fly. So wing. Okay. Now see 1, 2 and 3 like this Bampati is over there. Now we will draw its beak, and for that we have to draw just two slant lines and one eye. Okay. Now its legs like this, just two standing lines, and now we will draw one more bird, a small one, baby bird over there. Okay, and same shape we have to draw, and its wing now, and one eye and beak like this. Okay, yes, and tail. Very good. Now now we will draw one flower, and for that first draw one wavy line. Okay, any way you can draw like this, and then one more line near to the first line, and now we will draw a flower. It's not necessary that you have to draw like this flower. You can draw flower as you know. And have you completed all your previous drawings? Please complete it and upload. Okay, see now two leaves, one more leaf. Okay, now we will color this drawing. First we will give a border with the help of, I'm using marker, but you can take crayon or sketch pen, whatever is with you, so that our drawing will look good. Okay, so be careful while giving border. You have to follow the same drawing. Okay, and two legs. Again, see how I am doing the shape. Yes, like this wing, then eye and beak. Then another baby bird. Same we have to do. Then its tail. एंड आप लोगों ने बर्ड की पोएम है वो याद कर ली, टू लिटिल डिकी बर्ड्स. वेरी गुड. सो यू कैन सिंग along with this. Okay, while doing this drawing you can sing that rhyme. Now this wavy lines for the flower like this, then its leaves. And leaves का कलर कौन सा होता है? Yes, we have to fill green color in the leaves. And flower. Okay, now we will fill color. First we have to fill green color for the grass. Okay, and you can use whatever crayons you have with you. Okay, oil pastels or maybe wax crayons, poster colors, whatever is with you, you can use them. and you have to color in one direction. Okay, here I am giving slipping color so that your picture will look good. So if you want to give up and down, then give up and down, but please follow only one direction. Okay. Okay, now fill green color in the stem, and you can use light green color or dark green color. See, like this. Can you hear birds are chirping? Yeah, I can hear. Okay, now we will fill color in the bird, and same you can use any color for this birds. Here I am using this pink color, and for the wings we will give different color. And please don't color inside the eye, okay, because we have to give black color over there, no, for the eye. And same thing, you have to fill color in one direction, like this. Okay, now I'm using different color for the wing. Okay, now take another color for the baby bird. Here I am using orange color, yellowish orange color is there. Okay, you can feel this color for the mango. It is yellow shade. And now another color for wing, and you can use your old color scheme. And it's big, and here also big. Now fill color in the leg, black color. Now we will color the flower. And same for the flower, you can use any color. Okay, and just fill color inside the petals. Here I used blue color. And now for the upper circle portion, use another color. Your dark blue color I used. Okay, now with the help of marker directly I am drawing some clouds. Okay, but you can draw with the help of pencil first, and then draw with the help of crayons or sketch pen, like this. Okay, and fill color in this sun and the clouds. Wow, isn't it so beautiful? And clouds, for clouds fill blue color, light blue color. And fill inside the border. And same here for this another cloud. See, like this our drawing is ready. Now you have to draw like this, fill color in that, and please send it to me. Bye.